consider yourself one of the family.
Just look at me now, I'm a soldier. Don't ask me what I'm fighting for. There's nothing new, there's nothing changed. And if I told you the same old stories just once more, would it be strange? Is it strange? I say I am my father's son, and in this so much a product and a bearer of my old man's pride. Or would you rather see me, touch me, or lay a flower and say how much I wished he understood the meaning while he had the time?